All right, folks, welcome to Infiniti of Warwick. It is National Car Care Month this month, and it's a great time to get with your service advisor and go over any issues that may have come up over the winter, some you might not even know about, but it's important to bring your car in every once in a while just to let us take a peek at it. And you can see maintenance is very important, whether it's an Infiniti building or if it's an Infiniti car. All right, folks, when we're talking about maintenance and car care, there's no better place to bring your Infiniti than right here to the Infiniti dealership. We only use Infiniti parts right from the factory, and we have a row here of brilliant factory-trained technicians that are happy to look over your car, check its software, look for any damage that may have happened. Maybe you hit a pothole or something in the winter, you might have an air bubble on the inside of your tire, anything like that. These guys will suss out for you to make sure that you and your family are safe and that your Infiniti is tip-top and running just the way it should. And of course, it being springtime as well, we've come out of a rough winter. Let's make sure that we keep our car clean inside and out. You want to do a full detail on the outside so your paint stays lustrous and beautiful for just as long as it can. And of course, you want to keep the cabin beautiful for your family and your guests. All right, folks, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Keep us in mind. We're happy to help you with anything with your Infiniti, whether it be maintenance and keeping it running just perfectly for you, or whether it's purchasing a new or used Infiniti. Thanks so much.